The Airbus A380.
Yes.
Tobias, take it away.
Okay. So, yeah, unboxing. Here was the stand. I'm going to put that there. You got a winglet, an engine. Okay. I'm going to tip it out so we can... How's it not coming out? Okay. And we got the 3 other engines to fit it.
You might need to grab it. Yeah, there
And
we go.
we got the body of the plane. And then we got a wing. Where's the other one? We got the other wing.
Chicken wing.
So first, we are going to be putting the wing on first. The chicken wing on. Then we'll put the other chicken wing on. And here are where the... And now we're going to have to put the tail on. I think I actually done it right. Now we're going to put the engines on. Oh, wrong way. Engine.
It would have gone in reverse.
Second engine. We're going to have the third engine. Fourth engine. And now we are going to have to put the winglet on. I think I'm going to need a little help with the winglet. Yeah, you're...
Ow. There's one.
Yeah, where's the other winglet?
In the box.
Oh yeah, it just hid in the box. Okay, now the other winglet.
You need help?
Maybe not this time. Yeah, I definitely need help with the winglet.
In.
Okay, now we have... Oh, we still have this to go.
And what's that?
The stand. We have to clip this on. Wait, actually...